Julia, and this is Rachel. And today we're here to talk about some of the products in our lineup at Toddy that you may have missed.
We are really excited about this product. It is our debut in the cafe series. It is a 10-liter, 2.5 gallon, all stainless steel brewer.
This NSF certified brewer is one we've been working on for a while. It's really designed for smaller spaces, but where you still want a professional grade brewer. It works really well in the front of the house in a cafe or great on your kitchen counter. We designed this so that cold brew can be front and center in your conversations.
We debuted the Toddy Pro Series in 2018. Today we're looking at the Pro Series V2, two sizes, the 20-gallon and the 10-gallon.
So they're both made out of brewer's grade stainless steel and really designed to make large volume brewing as easy as possible. There's no mesh screens or nothing in here that is difficult to clean, and everything is really optimized to minimize the fines in coffee brewing and have a very consistent cup batch after batch. The Pro Series V2 is NSF certified, and you see on the Pro 10, this is a valve where you can attach a hose or drain it directly into airtight containers. The Pro 20 is actually showing the cleaning blank that comes with every brewer to really make it easy to clean in place if you don't have a sink large enough to fit a 20-gallon brewer. We get a lot of really great feedback about how easy it is to brew in the Pro Series, how easy it is to clean, and we hope you enjoy it. This is the Toddy Cold Brew Cupping Kit. The industry's first sensory analysis tool, really designed for cold brew. It is made out of lab grade glass, stainless steel, and food grade silicone. It includes our tree-free filters as well as our paper filters. And this allows you to brew small batches of coffee for side-by-side comparison to see how the coffee performs as a cold brew, to see how it performs against other coffees and recipes you might be considering.
They come in sets of 3 and singles to round out your toolkit. They're great for dialing in roast profiles and fine-tuning recipes. More information can be found about this product on coldbrewcupping.com.
And there you can also find our full suite of resources that are all for free, cupping protocol, cupping form, as well as an experiment guide. Okay, so this is the Toddy Lift. It is a component that's now standard in the Toddy commercial model, but for those of you who have been brewing with us for a while, you may not be familiar with it. It's actually backwards compatible with all of the commercial systems that we've offered, and it makes a huge impact on your overall experience brewing. Simply place it in the bottom of your brewing container, and it's ready to go before you start your batch.
One of the main features of the lift is to bring the level of the filter on the grounds above the spigot. So that increases yield and helps with draining and makes cleanup a lot easier. And that's our Toddy Lift.
This is the Toddy Cinch. It's a simple little product that is made out of food grade silicone and designed to be used to close the top of your Toddy filter when brewing. It's compatible with all of our filters and is also dishwasher safe. So these are the Toddy Brew Pens. It's a really small product that makes a big difference in your operation. So the brew pen is a non-toxic really a food grade writing utensil that is compatible with all of our brewing equipment. Why do you need a brew pen? Basically, we've heard over and over again, and we've seen in the field that people use tape, they use stickers, they set timers, and it's hard for teams to necessarily communicate what's in each batch and when does it get pulled, any specific notes. It's great for cupping, it's great for all of the batch sizes. So basically you can write whatever you need on the glass, on the silicone, on the stainless steel, on the plastic, and it's there for when you go to pull the batch. And it washes off with warm soapy water, and your brewing vessel is clean and ready to go for the next time. This is our Toddy tree-free filter. We call it tree-free because it's entirely plant-based. It really was designed so that we could offer a filter that was very strong, including when wet. So it makes it easier to brew, and you don't have to be quite as careful as you do with some of the other cold brew filters. It is very neutral in that it doesn't impart any flavors, and it performs very similar to our paper filter, just has a couple of added benefits.
It comes in multiple sizes. Right now, we have it for the commercial model, Pro Series, and cupping kits as well.